Let's start by taking a look at how the Couchbase mobile stack fits together. What are the major pieces? We'll begin by looking at some fundamental problems in architecting mobile and sensor-based apps. The first is that at this point in the evolution of software development, it's well known that local-only solutions for data storage aren't a good fit. The problem is that when a device is lost, data's lost. Your users are isolated, or a sensor, when it goes down, loses data that you won't recover. This is why these days we like to focus on cloud-based solutions. However, a cloud-focused data storage strategy also isn't a good fit. We do not have universal network access on this planet, even though our mobile devices and sensors are moving further and further into the field. This means that when you hit a network gap, and you will, once again you have a frustrated user or data loss. So the real answer is synchronization. You need to have an offline-first focused strategy, capturing data locally to provide continuous usability for the mobile or sensor app. And then that data is synchronized both to peers and the cloud when network is available. So that makes good sense, but how do you get there? And how do you do it without breaking the bank? Couchbase Mobile solves this problem using three main components. There's Couchbase Lite, which is an embedded database supporting full create, read, update, delete, and query capabilities for both JSON and binary data. Binary data means that your attachments, such as sound, image, and complex documents, are managed by the database along with simpler forms of data. At the other end, you have Couchbase Server, a highly scalable, highly available, memory-focused document database server. Between these is the Sync Gateway, which synchronizes data between Couchbase Lite and Couchbase Server as network capability is available on the mobile end. It supports your development team with REST, streaming, batch, and/or event-based APIs. All of this is secured with pluggable authentication, roles-based access control, and encryption both in motion and at rest. Let's go a bit further. Couchbase Lite is lightweight. You could think of it like SQLite, for example, if you're familiar with that widely known solution, but it's a lot more powerful. The reason why it is so performant is that it's built from native code for each of its platforms, from the ground up. It has cross-platform support for all major operating systems and platforms such as PhoneGap, Titanium, and Xamarin. Couchbase Server can elastically scale to millions of concurrent users. It focuses on a flexible JSON data model. If your developers are familiar with structured query language, and they probably are, they're going to be very comfortable with Couchbase Nickel. It also provides full-text search, the same natural language querying capability that you might get from a tool like Elasticsearch or Apache Solr, but rather than have to force your data back and forth between different server systems to provide different approaches to data access, we build this functionality right in to keep your life easy. Couchbase Server is also available for virtually all operating systems, and we provide vendor-supported SDKs for all major programming languages. The Sync Gateway provides stateless data synchronization between these two, Couchbase Lite and Couchbase Server. The Sync Gateway exposes REST-based streaming, batch, and/or event-based APIs so that your development team can continue using the approach that works best for your application. Sync Gateway is also highly scalable. It's supported on Ubuntu, Red Hat, Windows, and OS X, and on all the major cloud platforms, Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM SoftLayer. So how secure is all of this? Well, first, we deliver pluggable authentication, because who wants to rebuild that portion of your application stack? But for simplicity, we support OpenID Connect so that you can tie directly into the widespread social media authentication frameworks. We also offer fine-grained user and roles-based access control for your data and documents. Your data in motion is secured via transport layer security. the same as it would be for major banking applications and similar robust commercially secured applications. At rest, Couchbase Lite offers AES 256-bit full database encryption. Couchbase Server at rest offers full file system encryption. All three together secure your customer's data. So what have we learned here? Well, mobile and IoT devices require continuous usability. Couchbase provides this through an offline-first architecture. Couchbase Mobile Stack is comprised of, first, Couchbase Lite, an embedded database with peer-to-peer synchronization. Sync Gateway, which offers stateless mobile-to-server synchronization as a proxy. Couchbase Server is a very fast, highly scalable, feature-rich document-focused database management system. Couchbase provides robust security throughout the stack through pluggable authentication, including OpenID Connect support, roles-based access control, and robust encryption, both in motion and at rest. In our next lesson, we're going to spur your creativity by taking a look at a series of use cases and how they're being implemented in the market right now using the Couchbase Mobile Stack. Stick around.